Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Learn AI with me. I'm your host, Manoj, and today, we're continuing our journey into the fascinating world of machine learning. In the last episode, we talked about what machine learning is, the different types of machine learning, and even took a trip through its history. If you haven't listened to part 1 yet, I highly recommend checking it out. It'll give you a solid foundation for what we're diving into today. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how machine learning is transforming the world around us? From self-driving cars to personalized learning apps, machine learning is everywhere, and it's changing the way we live, work, and play. Today, we're going to explore some real-world applications of machine learning, the challenges it faces, and the exciting innovations shaping its future. By the end of this episode, you'll see just how powerful and versatile this technology really is. So, grab your favorite snack, settle in, and let's get started. Real-world applications of machine learning. Let's start with the fun part, how machine learning is being used in the real world. You might not realize it, but machine learning is already a huge part of your daily life. Here are some of the most exciting applications. 1. Healthcare machine learning is revolutionizing healthcare in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. Example: AI systems can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately than human doctors. Example: predictive models are being used to identify patients at risk of developing chronic illnesses, allowing doctors to intervene early. Imagine a future where your smartwatch can detect early signs of a heart attack and alert emergency services before it even happens. That's the power of machine learning in healthcare. 2. Entertainment, from Netflix recommendations to AI-generated music. Machine learning is transforming the way we consume and create entertainment. Example: Spotify uses machine learning to create personalized playlists based on your listening habits. Example: AI tools like DALL-E and Mid-Journey are helping artists create stunning visuals by simply describing their ideas. Here's a fun question for you. What's the coolest way you've seen AI used in entertainment? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. 3. Retail and e-commerce. Ever wondered how Amazon seems to know exactly what you want to buy? That's machine learning at work. Example: recommendation systems analyze your browsing and purchase history to suggest products you're likely to love. Example: machine learning is also used to optimize pricing, predict demand, and even prevent fraud. 4. Transportation. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting applications of machine learning. Example: companies like Tesla and Waymo are using reinforcement learning to teach cars how to navigate roads safely. Example: machine learning is also being used to optimize traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and saving time. 5. Education. Machine learning is making education more personalized and accessible. Example: platforms like Duolingo use machine learning to adapt lessons to your learning pace and style. Example: AI tutors can provide instant feedback, helping students improve faster. These are just a few examples of how machine learning is transforming industries. It's amazing to think about how much this technology is already shaping our world. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. While machine learning has incredible potential, it also comes with its fair share of challenges and ethical questions. Let's talk about a few of them. 1. Bias in data. Machine learning models are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the model will be too. Example: facial recognition systems have been criticized for being less accurate for people with darker skin tones because they were trained on datasets that lacked diversity. This raises an important question. How do we ensure that machine learning systems are fair and unbiased? 2. Privacy concerns. Machine learning often relies on large amounts of personal data, which raises concerns about privacy. Example: think about how much data your phone collects about you, your location, your browsing habits, even your voice. How do we make sure this data is used responsibly? 3. Misinformation. AI-generated content like deepfakes can be used to spread misinformation. Example: imagine a fake video of a world leader saying something they never actually said. This could have serious consequences for politics and society. 4. Environmental impact training. Large machine learning models requires a lot of computational power, which can have a significant environmental impact. Example: some studies estimate that training a single large AI model can produce as much carbon emissions as 5 cars over their entire lifetimes. 5. Misuse of technology. Finally, there's the risk of machine learning being used for harmful purposes, like creating autonomous weapons or invading people's privacy. These challenges remind us that while machine learning is a powerful tool, it's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically. The future of machine learning. Now let's look ahead. What does the future of machine learning hold? Here are some exciting trends and innovations to watch out for. 1. Multimodal AI. Imagine an AI that can understand text, images, and audio all at once. This is called multimodal AI, and it's already being developed. Example: think of a virtual assistant that can read a recipe, watch you cook, and give you tips in real time. 2. Personalized AI. In the future, we'll see more AI systems that are tailored to individual users. Example: imagine an AI that knows your preferences so well, it can plan your entire day, from your meals to your workouts to your entertainment. 3. Real-time AI systems are becoming faster and more efficient, enabling real-time applications. Example: self-driving cars that can make split-second decisions to avoid accidents. 4. Ethical frameworks. As machine learning becomes more powerful, we'll need stronger ethical frameworks to guide its development and use. Example: governments and organizations are already working on policies to ensure AI is used responsibly. 5. Democratization of AI. Finally, we're seeing efforts to make AI tools more accessible to everyone, not just tech experts. Example: platforms like AutoML are making it easier for non-programmers to build machine learning models. The future of machine learning is bright, but it's up to us to ensure that this technology is used to benefit everyone. Wrap up. So there you have it, machine learning in action. We've explored how it's transforming industries, the challenges it faces, and the exciting innovations shaping its future. What do you think? Are you excited about the possibilities of machine learning? Or do the challenges make you a little nervous? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to reach out and share your perspective. In the next episode, we'll dive into another fascinating topic in AI, so stay tuned. Until then, keep dreaming, keep learning, and stay curious. This is Manoj, signing off.